Hi, today we will be discussing about the email marketing module in Odoo. Before we start to create the campaigns, let's go through the initial configurations. In the settings, you can see certain configurations which will help you to enable the mailing campaigns, split the complete name into first name and last name, blacklisting option, and 24 hours mailing stat. So, for the mailing campaigns, by enabling this, it will help you to organize the marketing efforts, such as if you want to share a specific goals under a specific topics, such as product launch or seasonal promotions. So, you can make use of this mailing campaigns. Then there you have the first name and last name splitting, which will help you to personalize the emails with greetings with the first name alone. And as for the blacklisting option, when it is enabled, any contact that is unsubscribes automatically will be added to this blacklisting. So they will not be getting any further future emails from us. And then there we have the 24 hours stat mailing reports, which will generate a performance report within 24 hours after sending the mail. Will help you to show the key metrics is like what is the open rate of your mail, what is the click rate and bounces. So from this report, you will be able to evaluate your own email. Then there we have the dedicated server, which allows you to separate to assign a separate outgoing server mail for this mailing campaigns and marketing things. Just to save your email for your regular transactions. So currently I have only one. I'll just keep it the same and save it. Once the configuration is completed, now let's see how the module works. First, we have the mailing list. In the mailing list, we can create and manage multiple mailing lists, for examples, newsletters, imported contacts, leads, existing customers, such like that, which will help you to segment the audience and send the targeted content to certain set of recipients. Then there we have the mailing list contacts. This is where you manage individual recipients, where which you can either import it manually or via Excel or CSV files, or you can just add it from here. So while you are adding, you can add that this particular contact is available, will be available in this newsletter, or if there is any particular mailing list, you can just choose that. So in all of that mailing list, this particular contact will be available. Now let's try to create one mailings. Here we can provide the subject, which is maybe like a 50 percentage off on red cable customers. And here we have in the recipients, we have contacts, journal entries, mailing contacts. If we want to attach our leads, if we want to focus on the leads or opportunities, or if we want to focus on all of the contacts that we are having in this database. Right now, let's go with the mailing list, because I do have some mailing list. And in this mailing list, we can select if we want to send it to all of the mailing list, or either if we want to focus on particular newsletter only. So let's choose like this. And if we want to add a bunch of contact into this mailing list after adding, then we can add it from this button. So now into the mail body, here you can see there are multiple templates which is already provided by Odoo. If you want to do it, develop it from the scratch, you can just simply choose this. Or if you want to send it as a plain text alone, you can choose the plain text. Or let's say I would like to go with the 50 percentage offer. I'll be going with some of the template. So this is a promotion program. I'll choose this one. And let's change the values into 50 percentage off end of summer. It's 50. Let's change this. Okay. So also, if I just updated all of these things, and if you want to add more blocks or designs into your mail body, you can just simply drag and drop from here. Let's say if I want to add any particular feature grid or a line separator, let's drag it and add it under here. So there will be one line separator over there. Let's remove it for now. Okay, so this is my email body. Let's say I'm going to send this for my particular customers. Here I have send button, which will help me to send directly when I'll just click on it now. And if I want to schedule it for a future date, I can just simply click on the schedule, and I can choose a future date from this calendar view, and I can set the time when the recipients will receive this. Let's say I'm not scheduling it, I'll right away send it. And also, if you have already prepared the mail body by yourself and you want to use it for a future mail bodies, so you can simply add it to the templates and it will be added into one of your templates. Then you will be able to simply choose this particular template from the mail body while you are creating a new email. And here we have certain stages, which is draft, in queue, sending, and send. So now while we are creating, it will be in a draft stage. And when we click on the send, and also when we click on the schedule, until it is sent, it will be in queue stage while Odoo analyzes your mails. So let's click on the send, and here we are sending the mail. So now we have send the mail, and here we got a banner that is this mail will be sent soon as possible, and we'll have to just refresh after some time. So right now I'll test it. We have a test button as well, so if we click on this, we can test it like how this will be getting for a particular customer. So let's add our email over here. Now let's send it. Now send a test email. Let's check my email, and here we have got the template. So this is how we will be receiving it in our email. Now uh, after resending this, it is in queue stage. Still we got some smart buttons over here. What is the opened ratio, and what is the replied, what is the click on this email, if at all we are having any particular links attached to this email, what is the click ratio, and if we have created any quotations from that, or if we have received anything as any mail is bounced, like that we will be getting the report. Also, you can see there is one A/B testing. Let's say while we are creating certain mails, we would like to we would like the system to analyze our mail, which is better. So let's try to create an A/B testing. Let's say it's a welcome email, and in this mail body, I will choose this template. Thank you for joining us. And let's say I'll just go with my complete contact, and here I'll create one A/B testing. We just have to enable this. Upon enabling, we will be getting something which is upon what basis we will be choosing this winner selection, if it is based on the highest open rate, highest click rate, or highest replay rate, quotations revenue. So based on this we can select, let's go with the open rate. So whoever opened this, so based on the open rate, if it is 10 percentage, then this mailing will be added. So I'll just, let's say it's a 15 percentage. and here we will be creating the alternative version, and then we have the send final on. So let's say I'll be sending this final on 4th of August at 9 a.m. and save this. So till then it will test what is the open rate, and then only it will send the final to my contacts. So while clicking creating the alternator, here we have to provide something. Let's say as a welcome gift there is some discount, 30 percentage welcome gift. Okay, so this is my template. Now we have this, and let's save it. And after setting up two mails, we got if we want to create an alternative, or else if we want to compare the versions. So while we compare those, we will be getting those two emails which we have created, welcome email, and what is the delivered ratio, what is the opened clicked ratio, and what is the replied status. So all of that will be getting from that. Let's send it, send both. And after analyzing this, we'll be getting the better email. So that's how we do our email marketing. Then we have our campaigns. Whatever running campaigns that we are already done, it will be in the this campaign view, where you can simply select which are all the newsletters that I have already sent, and if there is any particular emails that need to be designed or anything, so you can just simply drag and drop these stages of this particular marketing campaigns. So that's all about our email marketing module. Thank you for watching.